Soothe ailing skin the natural way with Repair for skincare. Our essential ointment is made with a 3-to-1 ratio of CBD to THC to target skin discomfort with fast, localized relief while hydrating and regenerating skin back to its natural state. Easy to use and a delight for the senses, Repair is infused with an Ayurvedic blend of cucumber, sage, and aloe vera, ingredients known to soothe and cool the skin. Repair is plant-based, all-natural, allergy-friendly, and contains beeswax. Why beeswax? Because it is both a skin enhancer and moisturizer. It also helps protect and repair rough, dry, or chapped skin. Say goodbye to daily discomfort from tender skin while hydrating and reinvigorating the natural way with the root of it all essential ointment. Repair for skincare.